Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the leading installers of immobilisers within London and surrounding areas. Today we've installed the Ghost 2 immobiliser on this 2019 Cayenne hybrid. So the way it works, if someone obviously cloned this key or stole this key, start the vehicle up and went to drive away. As soon as they select a gear, the vehicle's going to switch off. There we go, they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer needs to do to drive this vehicle is start it up, go through their own disarm code. We've left it simple at 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video. We'll get a double flash from the indicators and then they can select their gear and drive the vehicle. There we go. If the customer wants to change this code, they can set it between 4 and 21 presses of any combination of supported buttons. And the way they do that is ignition on, put their code in to disarm the system, get a double flash from the indicators, foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again, and the indicators will start to flash. Now we can lift our foot from the accelerator and we can put in our new push sequence. So we'll just change it to back, front, back, front. We'll get 3 flashes from the indicators, 3, and then repeat that code again. So back, front, we get 2 flashes and that confirms the code. There we go. So now that's the new code learnt. So now when the customer gets in the vehicle, they'll start it up, pop their new disarm code in, get their double flash, and they can select the gear and drive. And it won't stall. Also, if the customer wants to go back, take this back to Porsche, they want to put it into service mode so it acts like a normal vehicle. And the way they do that is ignition on, put your code in to disarm the system, get your double flash. Now we'll press the service button 5 times, which in this vehicle is the driver's window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 flashes. There we go, now this is a normal vehicle. So if Porsche was to drive this around, start it up, no code, they'll be able to move it around their workshop. So long as they don't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, the vehicle will stay in service mode and won't jump out on them. Obviously when you get it back from Porsche, you're going to want it protected again, you're going to want the Ghost back on, and the way you do that is ignition on, pop your code in and get your 2 flashes. There we go, and the vehicle's protected again. So if you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. We cover sort of London and surrounding areas. This is the Autowatch Ghost 2 and we've installed it on a 2019 Cayenne hybrid. And once again, if someone copies your key, gets in without a PIN code, tries to drive the vehicle away, you'll see it just turns off. So if you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.